Hey guys, it's another Science Schaefer short. Today we're doing fireworks in a jar. And this is something you could definitely do at home. So if you want to do it with me, you're going to need a jar or a glass, like 3/4 full of water. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of just oil, vegetable oil, and you need food coloring and a spoon. Okay. If you guys remember back when we talked about oils, they're hydrophobic, right? So they don't like to mix with water, and that's going to play in with what we're doing today. So how it starts, take your oil and you're going to add food coloring to it. And you can do more than one color. I'm going to do some pink, and I'm going to do like 5 or 6 drops of the pink into the oil. And it won't mix, it doesn't like to mix. Then I'm going to add some blue. I'm going to do 4 or 5 drops of that as well. And maybe another drop of like this other pink color that we have. Okay. Once you've got your food coloring in there, go ahead and stir it. Like I said, it's not going to want to mix, but it just makes the drops of food coloring smaller, which will be good here in a minute. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pour our oil into our water, okay? And if you remember back, that oil will want to sit right on top of that water because it's so hydrophobic. And you want to pour it pretty slow, okay? Don't pour it all at once. Pour it pretty slow. And again, it won't mix. But what begins to happen, okay, and we'll kind of watch for a minute and we'll begin to see it. That oil wants to stay on top, but the food coloring, it's not really mixed with the oil, so it wants to go ahead and fall out of the oil, and it wants to mix with the water. So as we watch, that food coloring will start to kind of come down. Here it comes, and it's like reverse fireworks. Okay, so those different colors of food coloring are falling out of the oil into the water because they are hydrophilic. The food coloring likes to mix with water, so it's attracted to the water molecules. So here it comes, and you'll just continue to see those colors, whichever colors you put. So you can see a lot of purple, a lot of blue. It'll continue to fall out of that oil layer and kind of explode, which is pretty cool. And here's just one more shot of the fireworks in a jar. So that's hydrophilic, hydrophobic, doing its thing. Pretty cool to see. And it'll just continue to fall out of there until it basically mixes in with that water layer, and you'll have this cool, I'll have a cool purple water layer underneath my oil. So you guys can definitely try this one at home. Do a little science today. This is your Schaefer Science short for the day. Thanks.